Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add files to Wix website. Once in your Wix website dashboard, you are going to tap on Edit Site in the top right hand corner and you will be led to this page. Once on this section, all I like you to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select Pages and Menu. After selecting Pages and Menu, you can simply select Blog Pages. Then you are going to tap on the Settings cog that says Action. Then you'll tap on Manage Posts and you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, all you'll have to do is simply scroll down. Then you'll select Edit beside the post that you would like to add the file to. And in the top left hand section, you are going to simply tap on the plus right where you see Add. Then you will see the option File right here. You will simply tap on that. And from there, you'll be able to select the file that you would like to upload. As you can see right here, Site Files. And you could tap on Upload Media. And that's it. Or you could tap on this section right here and create a folder. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.